Okay, so what are we looking at?
Right now, we're really looking for sugar and taste. But what I'm also noting is that these grapes are quite pulpy. You know, they're getting a little pulpy. So maybe we're seeing a little breakdown inside the grape. Flavors are good.
Was that from the heat, or?
I think it's just, you know, like with time and probably the heat. That's 21.7. We're in the zone. I'm saying if we got real hot days here,
Yeah.
Jennifer, today's Monday, right?
Right.
Bright and early Monday. Why don't we put this thing on the schedule for like a Wednesday or something? So we'll call and we'll see if we can't get it scheduled. 23, there's a 23.5. You know what, man? This thing is going to be right behind the Vernaccia.
Yeah, I think so. You got to talk to Mikey is what we got to get. Let me go and get him.
All right.
Real quick.
What's Mike do here?
Mike, he's kind of the one to pick, and he's the sample taker, and he's Keith's right-hand man.
Okay. Far out.
He's top of the line. All I do is farm it and take care of it.
Oh, is that all? Huh? All right.
The Vernaccia, are you going to get?
15.
15?
Yeah, so we're going to up it a little bit.
Okay, and then on the Tokai, what are you thinking there?
I think that's 10 tons. 10 tons. But you know what I'll do is I'll check with our guys and see what style do we really want to make this stuff. Because we haven't given it much thought. It's like, oh, Tokai, sure, that'll be fun. Let's make that.
Because I've got, there's like 5.6 acres down there.
Yeah.
And I mean, in the past, you know, we could get 4 or 5 tons an acre out of that.
Yeah.
You know, they're a nice big.
So you could get 25 tons worth of fruit out of it.
Possibly.
Yeah.
You know, the thing is, the birds like it because if we leave it out there that long, I mean, like I say, it's like eating candy. So it's really nice.
So the birds will start to clean you out toward the end.
Well, especially Gloria's over there picking all their fruit, so they're going to migrate across the road here, I think, any day.
Doesn't have a home.
Gosh darn. As do some.
This whole place, actually, I installed this vineyard years ago when Jenny and I were in business.
Yeah.
For Bob Cundy. And then Bob sold it to Keith.
Okay.
And
Keith is the fellow that started Dirt Farmer, right?
Yes, that's right.
Is Keith also the fellow that was into real estate?
No.
Is that Bob?
That was Bill.
Bill.
Is Bill.
Okay, is Bill.
So this place, when Keith first took it over, gorgeous. They did a big not a planting contract because it was already planted, but a big long-term contract with Sam Sebastiani.
Okay.
When Vianza was first
rocking, because he was going to need all the Tokai for that program.
There's Tokai, Dolcetto, Tintacao, Tempranillo, Barbera,
okay,
and some Pinot Noir and Pinot Grigio.
You already picked the Pinot Grigio?
No.
Did that not find a home either?
The
Is
whole
it that
place.
rough out there?
Well, here. And so that's because we don't. The Rodino's smaller than the Clone 3 normally, but they're not this small.
So you're saying these real tiny berries
Never pollinated.
They didn't pollinate. So are those shot berries?
I don't know what they
What the
are.
hell do you call them? Just not pollinated? I'll be darned. They're tasty though, Bill. Wow.
I know. It's one of these days you got to get some of these.
I know.